Ladies and gentlemen, it's been a while and welcome to Sowi Productions. In today's video, I'm going to turn this exact particular photo into this particular photo in Autodesk Sketchbook. So without wasting much time, I think we should go into the editing. So let's take some few minutes to acknowledge the fact that I changed my logo to a new logo. And this new logo, I got the inspiration from myself. I tried to change the logo since the old one was looking pretty messed up to me. And then this will be the new logo. I'm officially announcing it in this video. Yes. So now without wasting much time, let's go to the editing. Then I created this gradient blending of the sky. Yeah. Then I matched those rocks with the sky, with the environment. Because it's a night scene. Yeah. A few minutes later, and then I did the same thing to the rest of the rocks. So that's it. I blended myself in, and then I blend myself in. Yeah. Then I tried to create some shadows to the rocks, and then by doing that, I had to duplicate the layer. Set the blending mode to multiply, and then do the same thing. Yeah, as you can see. And then I started painting the shadows. I did the same thing for the rest of the rocks. So like that. And now make this an epic speed up. So see ya. Then I started painting some highlights with a pencil brush, like this. And then I did the same thing to the rest of the rocks, just like that. And this will be another epic speed up. But before I do that, I will tell you how I made glow. I did that by creating a new layer, set the blending mode to soft glow. Set the blending mode to soft glow, and then I said painting. So another epic speed up here for you. Then I wanted to create the shadow for myself also. Then to create the shadow for myself, I did the same thing, duplicating picture, set the blending mode to multiply, and then start painting. Multiply layer. Another epic speed up again. So watch how I did it. Created a glow by using a salty watercolor brush, and then by creating the smoke that is emitting from my hand. The smoke that is emitting from my hand, I created it using the salty watercolor brush, and the blend mode I set it to soft glow. Yeah. And then if you notice, there are some edges of smoke above my hand in the image, so I fix that by erasing those parts using a hard eraser brush. Then I erase those unwanted parts from the scene, just like that. The smoke is coming out from emitting from my hand, so I wanted to create that illusion. And to create that illusion, I had to create a brighter area on my palm. To do that, I created a new layer, set the blending mode to glow, and use a different color and draw that on my palm. Add some other extra details on the smoke by using a different color, yellow light color, and painting some glow. Yeah, just like that. So time to draw the glow emitting from my hand by creating a new layer. But first I fix that by using soft glow layer and drawing some highlights on my palm also, and my clothes. So I need to fix one over the side and the down, just like that. Then I drew the glow emitting from my hand. Then I wanted to create some little fog below me to create this epic feeling. So before I did that, I created some highlight, drew some highlights on my forehead, and to do that I used a blend mode of soft glow and a different color matching the sky, and I drew it on my forehead and my face, on the facial part of the picture, and then some extra glow on my eyes, and that's it. And adding some hazy, smoky feeling on the other parts of my body. And that's it. This was the final result. If you like my overall content, please feel free to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay notified for future videos. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Check out these other videos. You're highly welcome.